What if the reason some people completely break during difficult seasons, while others become stronger, wiser, and more fulfilled, comes down to how they move through life's hardest stages? What if survival is only the beginning, and thriving is still possible even after pain, uncertainty, or failure? In this video, I'm sharing important ideas and personal reflections from The 4 Stages of Living by Christine Fruehwirth. The central message of the book is this: life naturally moves through difficult seasons and emotional transitions. Christine Fruehwirth introduces the SSET framework: survive, stabilize, emerge, thrive. The book explains, many people feel stuck because they believe painful seasons mean life is permanently broken. But according to the author, growth often happens in stages. Healing, resilience, and transformation take time. The goal is not to avoid life's storms completely, but to learn how to move through them consciously and grow stronger afterward. One major lesson from the book is this: during painful seasons, survival itself matters. People often pressure themselves to stay strong, constantly stay productive, have everything figured out immediately. But the book reminds readers, some seasons are simply about getting through emotionally difficult moments. Whether dealing with grief, heartbreak, career struggles, uncertainty, stress, or emotional exhaustion, sometimes surviving is enough temporarily. Survival can be the beginning of transformation. The book explains, healing usually requires rebuilding routines, habits, emotional balance, and mental clarity gradually. One powerful message from the book is difficult seasons often reveal important truths about ourselves. Pain may expose unhealthy patterns, emotional wounds, fears, limiting beliefs, or misplaced priorities. The book encourages readers to use difficult experiences for reflection instead of only resentment. Ask yourself what life may be teaching you emotionally. Awareness creates transformation. The book also emphasizes, life constantly changes. People often suffer more when they resist change, cling to old identities, or fear uncertainty completely. People heal and grow better with support. The book highlights the importance of relationships, community, encouragement, mentorship, and emotional connection. One of the strongest lessons from the book is this: difficult seasons do not automatically define the rest of your life. The Thrive stage represents renewed purpose, emotional wisdom, resilience, clarity, and personal growth after hardship. The book reminds readers, healing is not only about returning to who you were before. Sometimes growth creates a stronger, wiser, and more self-aware version of yourself. Thriving often comes after transformation. The 4 Stages of Living reminds us, difficult seasons are not always the end of your story. Sometimes life breaks old versions of us, so stronger and wiser versions can emerge. If this message resonated with you, comment "Keep Growing" below as a reminder that healing and transformation are still possible during difficult seasons. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone navigating stress, uncertainty, emotional healing, or personal growth today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.